Aloha and welcome to the Innov8AEC community platform. Before you embark on your journey for knowledge and to drive innovation in the AEC industry, first let's take a look around our community platform. Let's learn how to navigate so this way you have the best possible experience. Now you'll notice our interface is very similar to many of the social media platforms out there, but we are different. We are a community of learners. We are focused on solving common problems and working together to create new practices. All right, enough of that. Let's get started. First thing, let's log in. Login is pretty easy. Enter your credentials or just use the Google Connect. Here is our main personal feed. So all the content and posts within the entire community will be rolled up into this personal feed. You'll find our global features in the upper left-hand corner navigation bar. Your main feed. Content discovery is a place where you can discover content. So this is a place where the top posts roll up to from all the member spaces, key featured articles, events that are coming up, and even on top spaces. Below that is our community events. So what's pretty awesome about our platform is that any team member can create an event like an online webinar, workshop, innovation challenge, pitch demo, and the rest of the community can see that. As you can see here, we have a list of external AEC industry conferences that our members are adding daily. So this way, you don't have to search the internet for all this information. It's all combined in one place. We like to say we connect our people to knowledge and capabilities. And finally, we land on our global member page where you can see all the members inside of our community and quickly connect with them through a chat or learn more about them through their profile. So let's talk about how the community platform is organized. There's two key things to remember. There's collections and spaces. Collections and spaces are really no-code containers like folders. So a collection hosts spaces, and spaces are the places where you can engage the community. It's where the feeds and the events are all featured. Let's take a look at this first collection called Begin Your Journey. You'll notice the collection itself has two spaces inside of it. And obviously we want you to start here. So let's look into the space. The space has a couple of key features. It has an Aloha page or just a static internet page or web page. It has a quest guide, which is really the rules of engagements and learning material that we've created. So this way you have a great first experience. It also has an area for you to chat, connect, introduce yourself to the community as a new member. Our community platform is organized in a pretty simple way. As you can see on the left-hand navigation bar, there's a series of what we call collections. And each collection corresponds to a membership level, like the academic or the nomads. Each container or each collection has a series of spaces in there. And each space is a place where we can add features like a feed or a discovery for content or a resource page or learning content. So each space has its unique property. All right, so let's talk about the top menu navigation bar. So right in the center, we have a global search. So you can search for content, search for people, search for learning information. So let's just take a look. Let's type in ROI and see what comes up. You'll notice there's a Spark learning topic, there's access to external learning partners, there's specific instructions on courses on how to perform ROI on projects for innovation and technology. Our first icon is where you can invite new people to join our community. You can either copy the link and send it to them directly, or you can create a bulk email with a customized note to send it out to all your friends. Second, We have our chat area where you can create group chats or specific chats with key members of the community. Third is our notification area. So you can actually allow notifications to happen on your desktop so you don't miss any information, or just take a look at the notifications within your feed itself. To mark all red, just click on this button and you can adjust your notification settings here so you get the type of information you want when you want. And finally, we have your user account. So you can jump in here, change your parents to dark or light. You can go and adjust all your personal settings, the plans that you're a part of, and control the majority of your features on this tour. One of the things that we pride ourselves on is that we are a learning community. And the first thing I want to share with you are our Spark topics. And our goal is to provide a high-level understanding of a topic and have the community chime in and provide their insight and share their stories. So we will be having monthly Spark topics, and our goal is to potentially create new practices around that, or create projects that we can work on together. So join us with our Spark learning topics. We also have premium learning topics that are full courses with exercises, quizzes for your learning enjoyment. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this short video, and I hope your experience is a great one. If you have any questions, if you have any ideas to make our environment better, please feel free to contact me. Thank you again from the Innov8AEC community of practice. Inspire one person at a time.